that? Hey, you have lost a point.
Hey, this seems to be the bone of a big animal. Come on, let's dig all around here.
Look, I found a leg here. And here's the arm.
Well, let's join them all together and see.
Oh, this is mine. It had fallen off here. Come on, return it to me. No, this is mine. Oh, don't fight. Huh? Let's hang it on the tiger. It will look nice on him.
No, don't do that, don't!
That's done. Let's go home now.
After all these years, I get to be something that to a tiger? Huh. Now I shall teach them a lesson. I'll become the most dangerous tiger!
Hey, look! The tiger has come alive! Hurry up!
Run fast, Jolo, run fast.
This is one big tiger. We joined his bones, that's why it came alive.
Is this true?
Yes, Your Majesty. We must do something about it quickly.
No. Don't do this, Bhim.
Hey!
What? Hey, huh?
Oh, so you can speak also.
You can't make the same move again and again. I am a lot more than a tiger.
Aha! Now I understand. But why are you so angry with the humans?
Because I have waited a long time to become a human once again. And now, because of you people I have turned into a tiger, you will be punished for this!
Go far away from here. Hooray!
Oh my God! Oh, what is happening? What is happening? Help! Help! Somebody help me!
Just look at his clothes. He looks absolutely crazy.
He's mad. Chase him away.
Keep quiet. This is my house and he's my guest. He can stay here as long as he wants.
That was the wrong button. I made a mistake.
Hello, my name is Chutki. Who are you, sir? And what went wrong?
I am a scientist. And by mistake, I have traveled back in time. I belong to the future, which is nearly 2,000 years ahead of this time.
2,000 years in future?
Yes.
You must be joking. How can anyone travel 2,000 years from his future? I hope you're fine.
Chutki, please believe me. I have really traveled 2,000 years back in time.
I will have to call Bhim. He will be able to help you. And then when I searched my bag, there were only stones. And I could not find any laddus in there, except those which Bhim was eating.
I have this strong feeling that it is this Kalia who has my time machine. He must have definitely used it to steal the laddus from Chutki. I have to meet this Kalia. I will ask him to return the machine back to me. Will you take me to Kalia, please?
Yes, why not? But I don't think he will return it to you.
How can you be so sure?
You will get to know yourself.
Get out from here and take this old man too along with you. Haven't you guys heard? The Maharaj himself is so pleased with me. If I complain to Maharaj about you, he will punish you and throw you in prison. So get out from here. I say get out.
But Kalia, have you forgotten that Maharaja likes Bhim more than you? He will never do this.
I had told you, na, that Kalia will never return the time machine.
Please don't get worried. We will go and complain to our Maharaj about Kalia. He will surely help you get the time machine.
But we do not have so much of time to waste. Kalia can do anything till then. He can also crown himself king. We have to do something fast and stop him.
What you are saying is right. We will have to beat Kalia at his own game.
Can you use the time machine and become the king?
Yes, I can do it and I will do it. It is high time Dholakpur should get a new king.
Wrong. What Dholakpur needs is a big prison for you three cheats. Kalia, got it?
Bhim,
Give that time machine to me.
is that so? If you have the guts, take it away from me.
Give it to me.
I will never return it back to you. Please stop. I beg of you.
Stop it, Bhim. Please stop. We have got the time machine. Let's go. Now I will use this button to return back to my time 2000 years ahead.
Are you sure which time you will choose to go back?
Let me think.
Huh?
A little time before I used this wrong formula and I reached here.
Next time when you come here, please don't forget to wear all your clothes.
Without fail, sweetheart.
Oh, what is this? What's happening here? This seems to be a real genie.
Yes, a real genie. And this time I am very angry.
Angry? Why? In fact, I have set you free from this bottle. And now I am your new master. Understood? Just the way it is mentioned in this book.
That's right. But this is only partially true. You must listen to my whole story. You know, 40,000 years ago, my great master, the magician, got very angry with me. And he sealed me in this bottle. It was then that I decided that the person who releases me from this bottle could have 3 of his wishes fulfilled by me. But even after 10,000 years, not a single person came to my rescue. I just kept waiting endlessly. Just kept waiting. After this long wait, I got very annoyed. And in my anger, I took a vow that whoever releases me from this bottle will be killed by me. Now, my boy, you get ready to work.
Kalia, you? Tell me, what are you doing in the king's palace?
Shh! Don't speak loudly. Now listen.
What?
Now just go fast and get me some help, please.
Genie or whoever you are, master of the palace, you have wronged by building this palace without the king's permission. On behalf of His Highness the King, I order you to surrender yourself.
Now you're all my prisoners.
Oh no! Every full moon night the genie loses all his magical powers?
Well done, Bhim. You have saved us all today. But what do we do about this genie now?
Now this bottle will sink, see? The genie will forever be locked and sealed, floating in the sea.
When will we be in Dholakpur? I have not seen Mom for so long.
In another 2 days, perhaps.
Well, actually, we will arrive in Dholakpur by tomorrow itself. Your Majesty might have observed that we are sailing quite fast.
Yes, Captain, we are sailing very fast. Are there any monsters in the sea that you are afraid of?
No, Your Majesty. Not monsters, but sea pirates are that what make me sail so fast.
Pirates?
But my lord, you don't have to worry. We are all very well armed, such that no pirate dare attack us.
Look, a shipwreck! I can see some people in the sea. We must help them.
My dear princess and you, Captain, how can pirates attack us?
Why can't they?
Because we are the pirates. Surrender yourself to us, or else I will. Securely tie up these fools.
Your Majesty, what is the meaning of this? Why are you in a boat? Where is your ship?
Indu is a prisoner of the pirates.
Huh?
If I don't pay the ransom to the pirates, they will throw her into the sea. The pirates are very tough and are afraid of no one except what they call the sea monster. As a king, I cannot pay ransom and commit a crime. What shall I do? I am ruined.
Relax, Your Majesty, relax. Perhaps I can help out. Hey, Raju, Chutki, be careful. Hey, look! There's Indu. Listen.
I'm hungry.
Please spare us. Please spare us. Tell us what you want, and it will be done. Your wish is our command. Yes.
No, I'm very hungry and I'm going to eat you all.
No, please let us go.
Do you also want to know about your future?
You will be a very famous person, and you will also rule over a great country.
I've heard a lot about this parrot called Paro from a lot of people. Is it all true?
You can hear about your future from this unique parrot right now, and his prediction is always right.
I see. But I have a strange feeling I've seen you somewhere.
Huh?
Well, maybe I'm mistaken. But then no one can forget you and your unique parrot easily.
Oh.
But why are you here?
Your Majesty, sometimes people want to know only about the good things about Paro. But Paro is only a parrot. She simply cannot tell what is good and what is bad.
And what are you planning to do for the future?
Well, we shall leave this place tomorrow.
No, Babu. You continue to stay here.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Now please instruct Paro to read my future.
Babu was speaking to them very rudely. He was not at all like the person we all know.
But if it's a game he's playing to have fun, then why are his charges so less? Just because it's 1 rupee? We should not doubt Babu unnecessarily. Get it?
No. I have a strong feeling that I have met Babu before.
Yes, I have also seen Babu somewhere before.
The king had also mentioned something similar about him. We may not be too late. Raju, Chutki and Jaggu, you go to the palace and ask His Majesty where he had seen Babu before. Kalia, you come with me.
Can you remember anything, Your Majesty?
No. I don't recollect a thing.
Your Majesty, meet Babu. I mean Natwarlal. This Natwar guy has played a game on all of us. He trained Paro for this game, and Paro, like a parrot, spoke everything that was taught. Having been a neighbor of Dholakpur for a long time now, he knew everything about us.
And Babu told me that Batakpur is planning an attack on us. Going by his words, I was sending my army to attack them. Bhim has prevented me from making a big mistake. Soldiers, arrest this man and put him in jail.
Your Majesty, I shall go to Batakpur and clear this misunderstanding with the king.
Go on, Bhim.
Wait, stop! Come no further! I come here in peace.
You're Bhim, right? Why are you talking about peace? Are you not aware that your army has planned an attack on our kingdom?
There's been a huge misunderstanding. Please take me to your king, I beg you.
Oh, I see. Soldiers, take him to meet our king and give him his chance to propose peace.
He has trapped us all in his vicious game. That crook Babu made our king believe that you are planning an attack on us.
And he narrated the same story to me. What a game plan. We are thankful to you and Dholakpur. If you hadn't approached us by now, we would have definitely attacked. You are very courageous to come up to an army waiting to attack you as an enemy. I, the King of Batakpur, bestow you with the title the Royal Jewel. Long live
Welcome to the kingdom of Dholakpur. We do hope that you will have a great...
As I have mentioned, our visit here does not call for a celebration. We are just messengers of our king Ego-Hito. From this year on, you are bound to give us 1 lakh golden coins annually. And if not, then get ready for war.
Calm down.
If one does not meet this annual demand, then the forces will readily attack.
But Dholakpur is a very small kingdom. If your king is trying to threaten us with his huge army, then he is not brave.
Quiet. Our king Ego-Hito has proclaimed that if any citizen of any of the kingdoms who manages to win over Sam in a fight, that kingdom will be free from bondage. So if you don't want to pay up the tax demanded, then get prepared to triumph over Sam. So these are your brave warriors.
Your Majesty, I challenge Sam for a fight.
Go ahead and fight. You will definitely win. Oh no, he has lost his sword too. After a few seconds, even Kalia will surrender. The fate of the kingdom is in your hands now, Bhim. Go and fight with all your might.
Your Majesty, please don't worry. The kingdom of Dholakpur knows only one king, and that's you, Your Majesty.
Huh? How can one be such a big fool?
Bhim, I surrender to you.
Don't be sad, Sam. You too are very brave.
you, kid? You stay at Dholakpur, don't you? Huh? How dare you even set foot in this place?
Your king has blocked the flow of water to us from the dam. Unless and until the flow is released, we will hold you captive, a hostage.
Hey guys, have you seen Raju anywhere?
He has gone across the bridge to find his cutaway kite.
What?
What? This is not a good sign. I'll go there.
Bheem, be very careful.
Don't worry. I'll return with Raju in just a while.
Hoo-ha, chickapoo, 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 hoo-ha, chickapoo.
I am Bheem. I have come to search for and rescue my friend.
Until and unless your king releases the water from the dam, we will not release him. How helpless we are without water. We are in dire straits.
I will not go back without my friend, and that's for sure.
In that case, you will have to fight. Will you fight alone?
I had wanted to attack you with swords, but you saved my life instead.
Father, he saved my life too.
Thank you. You don't worry about the thing, Chief. I will definitely state your concern over the dam water to His Majesty. I'm confident that His Majesty will definitely consider my appeal.
Wonderful, Bheem. Great. And now please accept these horses as our gift to you.
Hey, chor! Thief! Someone catch the thief! What happened, Mom? Why are you screaming?
See, someone has stolen my laddus again.
I'm hungry. I want laddus.
Hungry for laddus?
Raju, it's 2 days since I last ate laddus. Forget it. No more laddus now. No more laddus? Why is that? Tuntun auntie is guarding the laddus herself now.
Yes, even I cannot touch them now. She's guarding them day and night, very eager to catch the thief.
Oh, snake! Snake!
It's not real. See, it's a rubber snake.
See how we fooled you? It's not a real snake. Wow, Raju, I've got an idea. What? Idea? Yes, an idea to steal the laddus. Listen, guys, here's a plan, okay?
Bad days have come again.
Auntie Tuntun, what happened to you? Why are you looking so sad?
In spite of all my efforts, someone is still stealing my laddus. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, Auntie. You take rest. Dholu, Bholu and I will guard the laddus for you and make sure no one will steal them. But you will have to give us 3 laddus every day. Is that okay with you?
3 laddus?
Yes, 3 laddus every day. 2 for me and half each for Dholu and Bholu.
Half each for us? All right then. Start from tomorrow.
Chocolate!
Hey, what happened?
Boss, the laddus are gone again.
Useless. You both are good for nothing.
Listen, your Bholu and Dholu are stupid and useless.
Yes, Auntie. But don't worry. From now on, I will guard them myself. I promise.
This is your last chance, Kalia. If my laddus disappear again, then you watch it. I'm going to make my rotis now.
Abracadabra! Jaggu has become an old man.
Look, he has turned old. Jaggu has become old.
No one else can steal the laddus. Let me also have some fun.
Where has Kalia disappeared? Huh? Why is this crowd here?
Friends, folks and enemies, see one, see all. Kid over there, he has 3 chocolates in his pocket.
Yay! I got chocolates! Yay!
And there are 2 laddus in Kalia's bag.
You?
No, Auntie.
You are the real thief.
Please,
now
Auntie,
just you wait.
please.
I'm going to teach you a lesson. I'm not going to let go of you.